Hello friends, how are we?
Today, me and my mum will be creating delicious pumpkin custard tart. It is sugarless and healthy, and its custard is made with pumpkin and coconut cream. So why don't we just dig in? Let's add some butter to the pot. Here we have some butternut pumpkin. We are using butternut pumpkin because it is more sweeter. Add 1 cup of grated butternut pumpkin. Stir it well, then let the pumpkin get caramelized. Now add 2 to 3 dates. Now we will add 1 whole cup of coconut cream. Let it cook on low flame until it gets a little bit thick. Now let's add the flavoring agent, which is cardamom seeds or vanilla pods. You can use whichever one you would like. Let's blend it together. Blend it until you get a smooth and silky custard. So if you're looking for something healthy and delicious for you, then you're ready to like this video and subscribe our channel. Let's move on to making the bread tart. With the quantity we have here, you can make 10 to 12 bread tarts. With that, you will be needing 1 pack of bread. Get a slice of bread and with the help of a cookie cutter, cut a circle. In this video, we are making 3 custard tarts, so we have 6 discs altogether. Get one of your bread discs and a small cookie cutter and cut a ring out of it. You don't have to throw away the remainings of the bread. You can use it for croutons or just enjoy it with the custard. This step is optional. Here we are pan roasting the bread to make it more crispier, but you can exclude this step if you don't want to do it. Get a baking tray and make shells out of bread as you can see in the video. Fill them up with 1 or 2 spoonfuls of custard. It depends on how big your bread is. Now we are topping the tart with almond powder. If you like, you can add sugar so that when you place it in the griller, it will get caramelized. Now your tarts are ready to go in the griller for 5 minutes. Now we are garnishing the tarts with sweet cherries and pistachio. You can use whichever dry fruits you like. There you have it, your tarts are ready. It was really fun to make this with my mum. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching and liking this recipe. So if you haven't subscribed, please do, and please try this recipe at home. So until next time, stay safe and happy.